A little bit of a different style of vlogging. I was looking on the Facebook markets and I found a YETI 150 for sale for like almost no dollars. Pretty excited. YETI 150 is a solar generator, which basically is a inverter, battery bank, and converter all at the same time. Gives me my 12 volts and also gives me my 110 or 120 volts, whatever you want to call it, and stores it all in a nice little package. Really wanted something like this, not for like long-term reasons, but to help me get a lot of the interior functions up and running inside Chappie, like the ceiling lights, the vent fan, all that kind of stuff. Using it for a testing rig, applying power to it, so I don't have to worry about bringing any kind of voltage into the coach while I'm working on it. So super stoked on getting this little guy. It's tiny. It's literally like this big, but packs a ton of power. Take you along on this journey since it's like a different style of vlogging. Another successful purchase on the Facebook market. Super happy with it. Picked it up from Catherine. Yes, Catherine. And she had a great story. She picked it up about a year ago in hopes to do her own van life tour, and it never came off the ground. And she's been sitting on it and sitting on this dream for a while. She said she's a real big fan of the whole van life movement and watches hours and hours of YouTube videos on van conversions and all that kind of stuff. So it was really cool to have commonality with a complete stranger, especially on like on a random purchase from Facebook Market. So had a great time talking to her, and I got this thing for a amazing price. So always utilize Facebook Market, use whatever's around you instead of buying from the store. You can always get a better deal and also have a cool story to attach this purchase to. So really happy, and I'm ready to get this thing home and test it out. Okay, here we are one day after this purchase, and remember when I said earlier about always utilizing Facebook Market for purchases because you get cool stories? You do get a cool story, but you don't get a warranty in the event the product breaks. So yeah, the little 150 doesn't want to work, doesn't want to accept a charge. I'm assuming it's because it sat not being plugged in. It even says it on the box to keep it plugged in the event you're not going to use it all the time. It's an AGM battery, and they discharge, and when they discharge, they don't want to take a charge. If it was a lithium battery, probably be in a better situation, but unfortunately it's not. So I have a piece of tech that I cannot use at the moment because I don't have a warranty. I got it on Facebook Market. I did reach out to Catherine, and she was super cool about it, and she said she would take it back. I also reached out to Goal Zero, and they said if I had any kind of documentation that they too would also take it back and send me a replacement. So going forward, definitely going to go to the store or online and purchase a test rig instead of getting something from Facebook Market. Nothing against the marketplace. I would just rather have the option to return it in the event it doesn't work. But fortunately, it didn't go the negative route, like being completely beat for my money. Thank you very much for following along. I think the product is still really neat. Goal Zero was super kind on the phone, and their tech support was awesome. Thank you again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you.